In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply whole numbers with fractions. So if we have a problem like this one that says, is the product equal to, greater than, or less than 1? And we have, what's 2 times 1/5? So one method you could use to do this is repeated addition to help you find the answer. So when you multiply something by 2, you're basically adding it twice. So this is 2 times 1/5 is the same as 1/5 plus 1/5, which equals 2/5. So we could use a strip model to help you decide if this is equal to, greater than, or less than 1. And here's our strip model. And let's break it down even further. So this is one whole, and this is the whole broken down into fifths. And here we have 2 of the fifths filled in. So this is less than 1 whole is shaded. For this one, less than 1 whole is shaded, so 2 times 1/5 is less than 1. Because 2 times 1/5 equals 2/5. This is how 2/5 looks like. So 2/5 is only this amount shaded, so this is less than a whole. Therefore, it is less than 1. So don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look in the description. I have links in there to other videos of mine that are similar if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook and you can follow along in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. The link is in there. Make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned something, and thank you so much for listening.